Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this really super quick bun to do. Really easy. It looks more complicated than it is and it literally takes you about 3 minutes. Okay, so I started with her hair a bit damp with some water. I'm just going to take the hair up from the ears into a half ponytail, comb it through. And then I'm going to tie that off into a bobble. I have got a tutorial already on YouTube to show you how I get the perfect ponytail. So if you'd like it a little bit slower, I'll add the link to that in the description box below. And then you can have a look at how I do the perfect ponytail. But for now, so I've got that first bobble in and then I just bring the rest up to join that bobble. This helps because of gravity. That top ponytail kind of acts as an anchor and it just stops it from falling down and it keeps it nice and high. And you don't get that baggy back at the back. So when I put the bobble in, I try not to move my hand too much. I keep the hand still and start swapping once it's all on. Okay, so I'm going to split the ponytail into 2 pieces and I'm going to clip one side out of the way. This one ponytail I'm going to section into 2 pieces and I'm going to make both pieces go round clockwise. So I'm just twisting them clockwise, but then I'm going to cross them anti-clockwise. And I'm just going to keep doing that all the way down the hair. So twisting clockwise and then wrapping over the other one anti-clockwise. So twist one way and then cross the other way. Twisting clockwise, crossing anti-clockwise. And because you're doing that, because one twist is clockwise and then the crossing is anti-clockwise, it just wraps the hair together and it's really clever. It just holds the hair and it will not unravel. So I've just tied that off with an elastic and I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other ponytail. So just twisting one way, crossing the other way. I haven't sped this up at all. This is exactly the speed it takes. It's really simple. I do this style just for a ponytail, sometimes for school, and it lasts all day. It's really good. But for now, I'm just going to finish all the way to the end, tie it off with an elastic, and then I'm going to take both pieces and just tie them into a knot. So put one over the other, pull it up through that loop, pull them, and then using my favourite spin pins, which you can get easily if you just Google spin pins, I'm just going to screw that into that knot that I've just created, trying to catch some of the hair from the ponytail. I'm going to knot the hair at the top as well. So I've knotted below the bobble, now knotting above the bobble, and I'm going to secure that knot with a spin pin again, just screwing it in. Going to take these ends underneath, wrap them up, and then at the top, I'm just going to tie those 2 ends together. And then once I've tied those 2 ends together, I just need to tuck it underneath the bun with a pin. And then if you've got any bits that you think might do with just being neatened off a little bit, then just pin those in as well. And then there it is. It is as easy as that. This is a brilliant bun. We do this quite often on a Saturday if we're running late because it's quite busy. Yeah, just 1 ponytail, 2 rope twists, and then it's sorted. So I hope you like that tutorial. Please let me know what you think. And here are some links to some other videos that you might like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell and then you'll get notifications of the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.